Hello everyone, in this demo I will show you the actual operation of my capacitive spot welding machine. These are the components I used for the spot welding machine. First, an 18650 battery, and a step-up converter to increase the voltage to a higher level, an Arduino Uno for detecting and controlling the MOSFET. And this is the most important part, the capacitor block. It has 3 rows of capacitors, 4 on each row. 10,000 microfarad, 6800 microfarad, and 4700 microfarad. A total of 86,000 microfarad. Other circuitries are on this part, including the Opto-Coupler. And on the bottom side of the circuit is an N-channel MOSFET. These jumpers connect to the Arduino Uno for the detection and control. This is the electrode for welding. As I connect the battery, the Uno turns on and the capacitor is being charged, ready for welding. Now it's time for welding. I'm using a nickel plate with a thickness of 0.1 mm. And first, I will try to weld by placing both electrodes on top of the nickel plate, which is also called series configuration. Let's see how it is welded. It isn't easily pulled off by hand. Pulling with more strength, I could remove the plate. But during the removal, a small hole was left on the plate, which means at least one spot was successfully welded. This time, I am going to place one electrode on the plate and the other electrode on the battery. This is called step configuration, and it is also known to require less charge for welding. It is not easily removed as before, so I'll use both hands to pull it out. There. It also left a nice small hole in the plate. Very good. Now let me cut off a new plate for a fresh experiment. What I'm going to do here is make multiple welding points in order to increase the strength of the overall welding using a step configuration. I'll make 3 spots since we have plenty of real estate on the 18650 battery. I kind of like this sound and spark it makes when I weld this plate. Make sure you apply a sufficient amount of pressure while welding. If you don't, the spark and noise gets really messy, and your family might not be happy with it. Now let's see. I have applied 3 points of welding on the battery. Okay, let's pull it again. It really took a lot of strength to pull it off, and a fragment of the plate was left on the battery, meaning that the welding went well. Also, you can see multiple punctured spots on this plate. And this is my battery bank welded with my welding machine. Very nice. I'm preparing to connect a charger to this battery bank later on. This is a summary we've learned in this video. Applying pressure to the electrodes improve welding quality. 12 volts is insufficient for welding the battery. I used 20 volts for welding in the demo. Apply welding to several spots for improving intensity. This is one advantage of my capacitive spot welding, since we are using a step-up regulator to provide the voltage we want. You can improve the welding quality by adding ground to your welding machine. This is about the configuration introduced in the demo, and step welding gives us reasonable welding quality which can be easily applied. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.